Hi, I'm Harry Powell from TigerGraph, and I'm going to tell you about how banks are using graph technology to accelerate their transition to digital banking. Banks across the world face a dilemma. They need to move customer interactions online to manage costs, but doing so risks commoditization in an environment where it is increasingly easy to move your account to a competitor. Many banks think that the answer to this is to replicate the traditional bank manager in the digital world. Your bank manager used to be able to use their knowledge of you personally to offer you genuine advice to manage your finances throughout your life. A bank that offers this deep level of customer service will create engagement and loyalty and will be able to combat unbundling and switching that is such a threat to the full-service banking business model. Banks often look to machine learning and AI to deliver this depth of experience, but ML has its limits. ML is mostly used for targeting models, which can boost sales in the short term, but which undermine customer loyalty in the long term. They particularly struggle with the cold start trap, where recommendations are poor for new customers, and they struggle to estimate customer lifetime value, which is vital if a bank is to understand the incentives it can offer to acquire new customers or promote products. The promise of a true digital bank manager is a long way off. Machine learning can only get you so far because it treats each row of data as independent. But you know this is wrong. Everything you know about your customers, your products and your services are interconnected. Graph neural networks have had a lot of success in addressing these problems. They allow you to use the connectedness of your data to squeeze every drop of information into your recommendation. When you learn something new about one customer, one product or one service in your network of information, you learn a little about all the other customers, products and services connected to them. Using TigerGraph, you can build recommendation engines that look beyond the next best action to the next best sequence of actions, taking a longer-term view of what's best for the customer and the bank. The same graph machine learning models can overcome the cold start problem, making good recommendations for new customers on whom you have little information. And graph machine learning is the best way to understand all the potential pathways your customer can take through their life to estimate a lifetime value that will inform commercial decisions. TigerGraph is in a uniquely good position to implement graph machine learning solutions. TigerGraph's machine learning workbench makes it easy for data scientists to work with graph machine learning by integrating seamlessly with all the widespread machine learning frameworks and tools they already use. You can get a free 50 GB TigerGraph Cloud instance at tigergraph.com/cloud or email me at info@tigergraph.com if you'd like to find out more.